Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel, Beth Buckley Art. In this short video I'm going to show you a quick method that I like to use to create realistic looking areas of white fur when using graphite pencil. So to begin with, I'm using a few different pencils to build up a decent amount of coverage on the paper. It's important to do this first as we will essentially be scraping through these layers in a minute. I'm using a blending stump to create a smoother look to the graphite. The paper I'm using is fairly textured, so using the stump allows me to really push the graphite into the tooth of the paper to create an overall better appearance. It can be difficult when using this type of medium to get a sharp, clean look, even when using a mono eraser. I find sometimes it just isn't quite enough for the effect I'm going for. So I'm going to demonstrate here how I achieve this with my Slice 10548 craft knife. I purchased this particular knife from Amazon and it's perfect for various elements of my artwork. Please, as when using any type of knife or sharp tool, be aware of the safety aspects. This blade may not seem sharp, but it is. And unfortunately, I know this from experience of working on pieces late at night when I'm not completely alert. So once I'm happy I've laid down enough graphite, I'm going to take my knife and using very light pressure scrape it through the darker values. As you can see, this removes some of the graphite from the paper, enabling you to create any type of lines you wish. I then use my mono eraser just to go over some of the sections and remove any excess graphite left behind. This technique is best used for coarse or wiry fur, as you get quite a rough, rigid appearance, which you wouldn't particularly want with soft, fluffy fur. So this is the finished image, guys, and I use this technique around where the white fur overlaps the darker fur and also for some of the highlighted areas around the base of the nose. I hope you find this quick tip useful, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and check out my other tutorials. Thanks for watching.